Chicago, you guys having a good time? Beautiful stopping. Roll it back, Jay. Do you guys want some more?
Yeah!
Can you handle some more?
Yeah!
I think we've got some more for you. You guys make some noise for Mr. Jason Britton right here. Let him hear it. Jay, you are crazy! You are so crazy! Make some noise! Make some noise for Eric Holshaw, ladies and gentlemen. Hand off the throttle, let him hear it. Eric likes the attention. He paws off of the attention behind the back. Yes! Eric is still rocking out with the heavy rotations. Yes. Jay's got sit-down circle wheelies as well. Make some noise for Jason's rotations right here. This is Jason Britton getting dizzy. You guys let him hear it.